What's going on, guys? Welcome to TechnoRight Technology. It's done right. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Ulanzi URig Pro video rig and to see whether if it's worth it or not. Yo guys, welcome to the first episode of Is It Worth It? So today we're going to be looking at the Ulanzi URig Pro, a video rig for a smartphone. So this product is aimed at budget filmmakers, average consumer, and in my opinion, this especially for YouTubers who are just starting out. What is a video rig? Why do you need a video rig for a smartphone? This video rig will help you to gain stability and stabilize your videos. It will also help you to add attachments to it, like for example an LED light or a microphone, and it also will give your overall rig setup a professional look for a budget price. So let's see whether this URig Pro stands up to its name. Okay guys, so this URig Pro comes with 3 cold shoe mounts on top, and if you have mini LED lights from URig themselves or any other LED lights with cold shoe mounts, or even a microphone, you can install it on top. It also has 2 universal 1/4" threads on top for accessories which do not have cold shoe mount, so it's a win-win situation. The product also has a 1/4" mount at the side and the bottom to mount it vertically or horizontally on a tripod respectively. The product is made up of plastic, but it's very sturdy, and it does have a little flex to it, but for its price it's very well worth it, guys. The hand grips are really solid with its design that it helps you to hold it steadily, and yeah, it's a really good feel for your hands, and it will not let you slip easily. So the phone mount on the URig Pro is made up of rubberized cushioning, which is able to hold the smartphone properly and to not damage it at the same time. So this really worked, guys, as my phone was really secured in tightly, and upon opening it there was no damage on my device, which really shocked me. So the locking mechanism is made up of secure screw, which can be screwed in when you have the spring clip propped up to the suitable size of your smartphone, and the smartphone mount supports sizes from 2" to 3.5" wide, which is basically 4" smartphone to about 7" smartphone, which is most of the budget smartphone that are released nowadays. So if you're looking to pick up this video rig for your setup, I would highly recommend you to do it, because for its price it's really worth it. Currently in the US on Amazon it's $21 USD, which is a steal of a deal. You can see we have 54 ratings on there currently in the time making of this video, and there are plenty of 5-star ratings. So if you want to purchase the product, you can click on the link in the description below, which will also support this channel, guys, and I would definitely tell this product is worth it. So if you're looking to get it, just get it, guys. So if you have any other questions or any other problems, please leave them down in the comments below. I think that's about it, so please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.